Are you tired of the daily grind, the endless commute, and the rigid 9-to-5 schedule? Well, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, more and more people are seeking a better way to work, one that offers flexibility, freedom, and control over their time. And guess what? The answer might just be closer than you think. Welcome to our channel, where we're about to unveil the ultimate solution. Remote work made easy, no experience required. But wait, before we dive in, let me ask you this. Have you ever dreamed of a workday without rush hour traffic, packed elevators, and office politics? Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere, whether it's a cozy coffee shop, a sun-drenched beach, or the comfort of your own home. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up, because we're about to show you how to turn that dream into reality. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on remote work, revealing the secrets to success and showing you how to thrive in this exciting new frontier. Whether you're a recent graduate, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to escape the confines of traditional employment, remote work offers endless possibilities. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to the daily commute and hello to a life of freedom and flexibility, then stick around because you're in for a treat. Let's get started! Embrace the digital landscape. In today's digital age, the key to successful remote work lies in embracing the vast array of digital tools and platforms designed to facilitate seamless communication, collaboration, and productivity. Whether you're working with a team spread across different time zones or flying solo on a project, these tools can make all the difference in your remote work experience. First and foremost, let's talk about communication. In a traditional office setting, you can simply walk over to a colleague's desk to ask a quick question or have a spontaneous brainstorming session. But in the world of remote work, communication takes on a whole new dimension, relying heavily on digital channels such as email, instant messaging, and video conferencing. Tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom have become indispensable for remote teams, allowing for real-time communication and collaboration regardless of geographical location. Next up, we have collaboration tools. From project management platforms like Trello and Asana to document sharing services like Google Drive and Dropbox, these tools are the lifeblood of remote teamwork. They enable team members to collaborate on projects, share files, track progress, and stay organized, all without ever setting foot in the same room. And let's not forget about productivity tools. With distractions lurking around every corner in the remote work environment, it's crucial to have tools that help you stay focused and on track. Time tracking apps like Toggle and Rescue Time can help you manage your time more effectively, while task management tools like Todoist and Wunderlist keep your to-do list in check. By fully embracing the digital landscape and harnessing the power of these tools, you can navigate the world of remote work with confidence and ease, no prior experience required. So whether you're collaborating with colleagues halfway around the world or embarking on a solo project from the comfort of your couch, rest assured that the digital tools at your disposal will help you succeed in the remote work arena. Develop essential skills. In the realm of remote work, success isn't just about technical expertise. It's also about honing essential skills that are crucial for thriving in a remote environment. While you may not have prior experience in remote work, there are certain qualities and abilities that can set you apart and make you a valuable asset to any remote team. First and foremost, let's talk about communication skills. In a remote setting, effective communication is essential for conveying ideas, sharing feedback, and building strong relationships with colleagues. This includes not only written communication, such as emails and instant messages, but also verbal communication during virtual meetings and video calls. Clear, concise communication can help ensure that everyone is on the same page and working towards common goals, even when miles apart. Another essential skill for remote work is time management. Without the structure of a traditional office environment, it's easy to lose track of time and become overwhelmed by competing priorities. Effective time management involves setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, and establishing a daily routine that maximizes productivity. Tools like time tracking apps and productivity techniques such as the Pomodoro technique can be invaluable for staying organized and focused throughout the day. Self-discipline is also key when it comes to remote work. With the freedom to set your own schedule and work from anywhere, it can be tempting to procrastinate or become distracted by non-work-related activities. Developing self-discipline means staying focused on your goals, resisting distractions, and holding yourself accountable for meeting deadlines and achieving results. Adaptability is another essential skill for remote work, particularly in today's rapidly changing world. Remote work environments can vary widely depending on factors such as company culture, team dynamics, and project requirements. Being able to adapt to new situations, technologies, and work processes is essential for thriving in the remote work arena and overcoming challenges as they arise. By developing these essential skills, communication, time management, self-discipline, and adaptability, you can position yourself for success in the world of remote work, even if you're starting with no prior experience. So, whether you're collaborating with colleagues halfway around the world or embarking on a solo project from the comfort of your home, rest assured that these skills will serve you well in your remote work journey. Explore remote-friendly industries. Remote work isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in the way we approach work and employment. And one of the most exciting aspects of remote work is the sheer variety of industries and professions that now embrace remote-friendly practices. Whether you're a creative professional, a tech enthusiast, or a customer service guru, there's likely a remote work opportunity waiting for you in your field of expertise. One industry that has fully embraced remote work is technology. With the rise of digital nomadism and distributed teams, tech companies have led the way in adopting remote-friendly practices. From software development and web design to digital marketing and IT support, there are countless opportunities for tech-savvy individuals to thrive in remote roles. Companies like Buffer, GitLab, and Automatic have even built entirely remote teams, proving that remote work is not only possible, but also highly successful in the tech industry. But it's not just tech companies that are jumping on the remote work bandwagon. The world of marketing and advertising is also ripe with remote opportunities. Whether you're a content creator, a social media manager, or a digital strategist, there's no shortage of remote work opportunities in the marketing world. With the rise of remote collaboration tools and digital marketing platforms, many marketing agencies and brands now rely on remote talent to fuel their campaigns and projects. And let's not forget about the creative industries. Writers, designers, photographers, and artists of all kinds are finding new ways to thrive in the remote work landscape. Whether you're freelancing for clients around the world or working on passion projects from the comfort of your own home, remote work offers endless possibilities for creative expression and professional growth. In conclusion, remote work has opened up a world of opportunities for individuals across a wide range of industries. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a marketing maven, or a creative professional, there's likely a remote work opportunity waiting for you. So if you're ready to embrace the freedom and flexibility of remote work, start exploring remote-friendly industries today and unlock the potential of remote work for your career. Leverage online platforms. In the digital age, finding remote work opportunities has never been easier thanks to the plethora of online platforms dedicated to connecting remote workers with employers. These platforms serve as virtual marketplaces where freelancers and remote workers can showcase their skills, bid on projects, and land gigs with clients from around the world. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newcomer to the remote work scene, leveraging these platforms can be your ticket to success in the remote work arena. One of the most popular platforms for finding remote work is Upwork. With millions of freelancers and clients spanning a wide range of industries, Upwork offers a vast array of remote work opportunities, from short-term projects to long-term contracts. Freelancers can create profiles highlighting their skills and experience, browse job listings, and submit proposals to potential clients, making it easy to find remote work opportunities that match their expertise and interests. Freelancer is another popular platform for remote work, offering a similar range of opportunities for freelancers and remote workers. From web development and graphic design to writing and translation, Freelancer boasts a diverse range of job categories and projects for freelancers to explore. With its user-friendly interface and robust search filters, Freelancer makes it easy to find and apply for remote work opportunities that align with your skills and preferences. For those seeking remote work opportunities in specific industries or niches, industry-specific platforms like Remote.co and FlexJobs can be invaluable resources. These platforms curate remote job listings from companies across various industries, making it easy for job seekers to find remote work opportunities tailored to their interests and expertise. Whether you're looking for remote work in tech, healthcare, education, or any other industry, these platforms can help you find your dream remote job with ease. And let's not forget about the power of professional networking platforms like LinkedIn. With its vast network of professionals and companies, LinkedIn offers a wealth of opportunities for remote workers to connect with potential employers, showcase their skills and experience, and stay updated on remote job openings. By optimizing your LinkedIn profile, engaging with relevant content, and networking with industry professionals, you can position yourself for success in the remote work arena. In conclusion, online platforms have revolutionized the way we find remote work opportunities, making it easier than ever for freelancers and remote workers to connect with clients and employers from around the world. Whether you're browsing job listings on Upwork, Freelancer, Remote.co, FlexJobs, or networking on LinkedIn, these platforms offer a wealth of opportunities for remote work success. So, if you're ready to take your career remote, start leveraging online platforms today and unlock the potential of remote work for your professional journey. Embrace continuous learning. In the dynamic world of remote work, continuous learning is not just a recommendation. It's a necessity for staying competitive and adapting to evolving trends and technologies. Whether you're a seasoned remote worker or just starting out, committing to lifelong learning can help you stay ahead of the curve and excel in your remote work journey. One area where continuous learning is particularly crucial is in mastering new software and tools. As technology continues to advance, new tools and platforms emerge to streamline remote work processes and enhance collaboration and productivity. Whether it's project management software, communication tools, or specialized industry software, staying up to date with the latest tools and technologies can give you a competitive edge and make you more valuable to employers. Another aspect of continuous learning in remote work is staying updated on industry trends and best practices. Whether you're in marketing, design, programming, or any other field, staying informed about industry developments, emerging trends, and best practices is essential for staying relevant and delivering high-quality work. This may involve reading industry publications, attending webinars and conferences, or participating in online forums and communities to stay connected with peers and thought leaders in your field. Continuous learning also extends to developing and honing soft skills that are essential for success in remote work. Skills like communication, time management, problem solving, and adaptability are all critical for thriving in a remote work environment. By investing time and effort into developing these skills, you can become a more effective remote worker and position yourself for long-term success in your career. But perhaps the most important aspect of continuous learning in remote work is maintaining a growth mindset. In a rapidly changing world, being open to new ideas, embracing challenges, and seeking out opportunities for growth and development are essential for staying motivated and achieving your goals. By adopting a growth mindset, you can turn obstacles into opportunities and unlock your full potential as a remote worker. In conclusion, continuous learning is essential for success in the world of remote work. Whether it's mastering new tools and technologies, staying updated on industry trends, or developing essential soft skills, committing to lifelong learning can help you stay competitive, adaptable, and successful in your remote work journey. So, if you're ready to take your remote work career to the next level, embrace continuous learning and unlock the endless possibilities that remote work has to offer. Cultivate a productive remote routine. Establishing a productive remote routine is essential for maintaining focus, maximizing efficiency, and achieving work-life balance in the remote work environment. Without the structure of a traditional office setting, it's easy to succumb to distractions, procrastination, and burnout. But with the right routine in place, you can create a conducive work environment that allows you to thrive in your remote work journey. One of the first steps in cultivating a productive remote routine is to establish dedicated work hours. Just because you're working from home doesn't mean you should blur the lines between work time and personal time. By setting specific hours for work each day, you can create a sense of structure and routine that helps you stay focused and productive throughout the day. This may involve aligning your work hours with your team's schedule or simply choosing times when you feel most alert and productive. Another important aspect of a productive remote routine is creating a designated workspace. While it may be tempting to work from the comfort of your bed or the couch, these spaces are often associated with relaxation and leisure, making it difficult to stay focused on work tasks. Instead, carve out a dedicated workspace in your home, a quiet corner, a home office, or even a coffee shop that is free from distractions and conducive to productivity. Setting boundaries between work and personal life is also key to maintaining a healthy remote routine. With the flexibility of remote work comes the temptation to work longer hours, answer emails at all hours of the day, and never truly disconnect from work. But this can quickly lead to burnout and diminished productivity. By establishing clear boundaries, such as turning off work notifications outside of work hours, taking regular breaks throughout the day, and designating specific times for leisure activities, you can ensure that you maintain a healthy work-life balance and avoid the pitfalls of overwork. Incorporating regular exercise, healthy eating, and adequate sleep into your routine can also have a significant impact on your productivity and well-being as a remote worker. Physical activity boosts energy levels, improves mood, and enhances cognitive function, while nutritious meals and sufficient sleep are essential for maintaining focus, concentration, and overall health. By cultivating a productive remote routine that includes dedicated work hours, a designated workspace, clear boundaries, and self-care practices, you can create an environment that supports your productivity, well-being, and success as a remote worker. So if you're ready to take your remote work game to the next level, start implementing these tips and watch as your productivity soars and your work-life balance improves. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of remote work and the endless possibilities it offers. We hope you found valuable insights and inspiration to embark on your own remote work journey.